Dear viewers, now you can get your share market related queries answered directly from me at YouTube Live at completely free of cost. So I'll organize YouTube Live in the coming days where you will get your share market related queries answered by me. আপনি যদি বাংলায় প্রশ্নোত্তর শুনতে চান for Bengali, visit here. এখানে আপনি বাংলায় প্রশ্ন করতে পারেন এই ভিডিও লিংকে। My name is Prashanjit Paul. I have authored the best-selling book How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market and actively investing in the stock market since 2010 and achieved financial freedom. So let's have a look. First, how you can get the notification or how you can know when I'll come live next. If you want to receive the notifications in your mobile while I come live for questions answered, what you need to do, just follow the screen. You need to subscribe this channel, and then if you already subscribed, then just visit the bell icon, click on all. After that, go to your mobile setting. From there, on the notification setting, make sure that YouTube notifications are all on. Now pause the video. If you didn't completed this step, just pause it and do these steps. I hope now the all steps you are done. Now you will get clear notifications in your mobile itself from YouTube whenever I come live for the question answer session. Now the question is, from where you can put your queries. See, the first option is simply in the comment section of this video you can put your questions. Once I get those questions, for the next live session I will first address those questions, and then after that whoever is present on the live session, all the members, those who are present on the live section, there also I will get questions and then I will directly address over there. Now the question is, what kind of queries you can ask? Obviously anything related to share market, except only one thing, that part is like I don't address direct queries like many investors ask, like ITC is now 200, shall I buy? Or Reliance is now 2000, shall I buy? See, I'm talking about the inconveniences for you if I answer those kind of replies. See, say for example, today I say, okay, Reliance Industries is good at 2000, but the issue is, or you might even purchase based on, okay, it is today at 2000 rupees, Reliance Industries is good, but after 1 week or 1 month, if something changes, because in the stock market everything is dynamic in nature, right? So it might happen some bad quarterly result or some industry specific event, whatever be it. If something changes, then there will be no one to notify, okay, now the stance is changed, you need to act differently, right? So although not only me, if you are looking for answers from television channels or newspaper or whatever, like if you follow those kind of show where a person comes, an analyst comes and say Reliance is a good buy at this price, don't follow, because although that might be a good buy at that price, but that person will never tell you like when the stance change or when it's not a good buy, or when the situation, when the circumstances changes, right? And if you can't exit on that time, then you might end up with loss. So don't ask such kind of queries, direct stock related queries, shall I buy this, shall I sell this, what I need to do. You can ask for general stock related queries like what's the business strength of these companies, and if the stock is within my tracking list, I'll surely answer. You can obviously take stock ideas from any analyst, like in YouTube video itself I have shared a video on PI Industries sharing the business strength on all. So you can take those ideas, the stock ideas, but after taking those ideas you need to prepare your entry and exit strategy completely at your own. Don't look at others for your entry and exit strategy, and if you don't make any entry and exit strategy prior to your investment, then your investment is at risk. So take ideas, take investment idea from wherever you want, but plan your own entry exit strategy. Always remember, it's your money. Whatever be the profit, that will be yours, and whatever be the loss, that too will be yours. Nobody else can be responsible for your profit or your loss. So this is why don't ask such kind of queries like shall I buy ITC at 200, shall I buy this stock at this much rupees. Don't ask this kind of queries. Apart from that, any other kind of queries are welcome related to the share market. You can freely share such kind of queries. I'll come live and directly answer you. Always remember, like if you want to take ideas, be prepared for your own entry and exit strategy. And if you want, and if you know that if you are not interested for all these research stuffs, entry and strategy and all such things, then I have already mentioned that the Nifty 50 ETF option, how convenient is that option, because on that Nifty 50 ETF we don't have to do any kind of research, you don't have to spend any time, but you can earn at least over a period of 4-5 years, you can earn more than the double, maybe the double of fixed deposit return. If you didn't watch the video or if you didn't know much about the Nifty 50 ETF, then here is the video link, you can go and watch there. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to share your queries in the comment box. I'll reply on the next live. The date of the next live will be also available on the description box of this video. So see you in the live section. Happy investing.